Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed commutative and associative property. In this video we will learn distributive property. Today our topic is distributive property. Distributive property combines multiplication and addition or multiplication and subtraction. I repeat, distributive property combines multiplication and addition or multiplication and subtraction. If the numbers added or subtracted have the same factor multiplied, then we can use the distributive property of multiplication. Here 5 is multiplied with 7 and 5 is multiplied with 3. As 5 is the common factor that is multiplied to both these numbers. So we will write 5 once and we will write the sum of the numbers inside the bracket. 7 plus 3. Now we will place closing brackets. Here 5 is multiplied with 7 and 5 is multiplied with 3. So 5 is the common factor. As 5 is the common factor multiplied with both these numbers 7 and 3. Hence we can write 5 once and then we will write the difference of numbers inside the bracket. 7 minus 3. Now closing brackets. Multiplication is distributive over addition and subtraction. 9 is multiplied by 4 and 9 is multiplied by 4 and 9 is multiplied by 1. 9 is the factor that is multiplied to both these numbers 4 and 1. So we will write 9 once outside the bracket. Opening brackets. Now we will write 4 and 1 with the subtraction symbol inside the brackets. First of all we will write 4, subtraction symbol, and we will write 1 here. Then closing bracket. 9 will be written as it is. First of all we will solve the brackets. Inside the brackets there is 4 and 1. We have to subtract 1 from 4 and we get 3. Now we will multiply 9 and 3. 9 into 3 we get 27. Now we will apply distributive property on both these numbers. 18 is the common factor. We will write it once. Now we will distribute 22 as the nearest number, that is the multiple of 10, that is 20. In 20 if we add 2 we get 22. I repeat, we will find out the nearest number that is multiple of 10. Here is the number 22. The nearest number that is multiple of 10 is 20. In 20 if we add 2 we get 22. If we apply the distributive property we can see that 18 is multiplied with 20 and 2. So first of all we will multiply it with 20. We will write it as 18 into 20. Then it is multiplied with 2. We will write it as 18 into 2 and there is the addition symbol. We will write it as it is. If we multiply 18 and 20 we get 360. Then we will write addition symbol here. If we multiply 18 into 2 we get 36. Now we will add 360 and 36. If we add 360 and 36 we get 396. As we are going to apply distributive property on 29 and 8, we will write 29 as it is and we will break 8. Do you have any idea how will we break this number 8? Yes, as I told you, we will find out the nearest number that is multiple of 10. So, which one is the nearest number that is multiple of 10? As we are going to break this number 8, so the nearest number that is multiple of 10 is 10 itself. So from 10, if we subtract 2, we can get 8. I repeat, From 10, if we subtract 2, we will get 8. Now 29 is multiplied with 10 and 29 is multiplied with 2. First of all, we will multiply 29 with 10. We will write it as 29 into 10. Then we will multiply 29 into 2. We will write it as 29 into 2. And we will place the subtraction symbol between them. If we multiply 29 and 10, we get 290. Now we will place subtraction symbol. And we are multiplying 29 into 2 and we will get 58. From 290 we have to subtract 58. If we subtract 58 from 290 we get 232. In this video we have discussed distributive property. In the next video we will learn Damascus rule. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.